Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how you can earn money online. You can earn up to 5.5 million Ugandan shillings, but the referral program can be participated in by people from Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, and South Africa. This platform doesn't only offer referral programs, but it does a lot of things like paying your premium, your insurance premium, like purchasing data, uh, getting a virtual card to perform on all of your online purchases and other transactions. You can still buy cryptos, but that feature is only enabled in a few countries, among which Uganda is excluded. So this platform is very amazing. It has been in service since 2017 and it has branches across Africa, USA, and Europe. So guys, the platform is legit. You don't have to worry about anything. But guys, kindly, before I go ahead, I am really requesting you to first subscribe. You tap on the subscription button, you tap on the bell like icon so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I upload a new content. So guys, hope you have done so. I will leave the link that you use to earn money in the description. You can still find it in the comments. You can follow that link. Then you download the application, open an account. To open an account, you must do what? You must be having your national ID or any other government issued document, an email account, plus a phone number. So once you get those items, you'll be able to earn yourself free money using your phone. You can earn some good amount of money without doing anything much. So guys, let's go straight to the application and I'll show you how it works. It's called Eversend. Let me start in my PIN. I won't be hiding it because I don't believe anyone can do anything suspicious to my account. So guys, that's the amount that I have just earned from one of my referrals. That's the platform. It has a lot of features, a lot of currencies, as you can see. There is Uganda shillings, Bitcoin, Ghanaian cedis, Kenyan shillings, Nigerian naira, Tanzanian shillings, United States dollar, and Rwandan francs. So you just select any wallet that you want to top up. For me, right now, I mostly use my Ugandan shillings since I'm in Uganda. So guys, that's the platform. Now, these are the features. If you want to activate a card, you tap on cards, then you tap on create the new card. Here you first load your USD account. I'll show you how to load how to fund your USD account. Then let's say you want to they are showing you that the fee to activate the card is $2. So after funding that amount to your USD account, you'll be able to create your virtual card on Eversend. Now let's say you have here, you can load any amount that you have, any amount that you want to load to your card. Let's say you want to load it with $10. If you have it on your account, you proceed and you tap on continue. But right now I can't continue because my USD account is empty. It can't proceed. Then there you'll be able to activate your account. Let's go back to what? To the features. These are the most features. These are the features that we mostly use. Like there is send money. Let's say you want to send money to someone who is already on Eversend. Just tap here, and the app will be able to scan your contacts who are already using the application. Here are a few contacts of mine who are already on this application, this platform. Let's say you want to send it to, let's say, this guy. You select the amount that you want to send, you insert it here. Let's say I just want to send 3K. Now tap on continue, but before that I can add any note. Let's say happy birthday. I want to wish him a birthday. Say happy birthday, and I tap on continue. Then the amount will top up on his Eversend account. So that's another feature. Then let's go back. Let's say you have it on your account like it is now, and you want to withdraw it or to send it to anyone using mobile money. Just tap on mobile money, and guys, you send it to those people. So that is it. You select, let's say mine, choose mine, or just want to send it to my own number. Then I'll be able to do what? I'll select the amount that I want to withdraw. Still, let's use 3K, and then I tap on continue. Then the amount will go directly to my mobile money account. Let's try it, and you see. Continue. I'll put in my penny. Then we have to be patient. Like right now my network isn't that good. I think you can see money has been deducted from my account, and it's now available on my mobile money account. So I have to be patient as the transaction is being processed. So guys, let's try another feature as the money comes. Now straight to how you can earn. You come here and you tap on earn. Then you generate your link here. Tap on invite a friend. Invite a friend, then you copy your link. You tap on copy and you copy your link. You then share that link to WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere, and whoever uses your link to open an account and he funds it with an amount of equivalent to $1 in Uganda shillings, that's around 3,800. If you don't want to mess up, you should top up with your account with at least 4K, 4,000 Uganda shillings. Then the moment that person you have invited tops up his or her account with that amount, both of you will receive a bonus of $1. And it's not much, but at least if you can manage to invite or to refer around 5 people per day, I think you can see how much you can make at the end of the month passively without doing anything much. So guys, I have referred 19 people so far. So it's just a matter of reminding them to verify their accounts, and they top up that amount. Both of you will be rewarded. So other features available, and it's like, I think you can see airtime. You can buy airtime, you can pay your insurance, you can pay electricity, and you can still donate. So you can see the money have been posted on my account. Your withdrawals, garnishing 3,000 has been credited on your mobile money account. So let's try this feature also. Let's say you want to top up another currency. Let's choose US dollar. Like you want to top up your account with US dollar. Here it is. You tap here, add the amount. Then you tap here and you insert your virtual, rather your MasterCard or Visa card. Let's try this. I want to top up my US dollar. Let's say just want to top up it, top up around $1. So you tap on add money. Then you insert in your CVV code, your 3-digit code on your card. Mine is this. You tap on add money. Let's wait and see what they show, what they bring. Have to be patient. Then here it is. I have to insert in my OTP. The code is here. Then tap on confirm. And wait for the transaction to be processed. You have to be patient a bit. The process sometimes takes some. Yeah, boom. My USD account has been credited with one US dollar. So that's how efficient and where this platform is. Let's try to top up my Ugandan currency. Let's top up Uganda shillings wallet. I'll still use mobile money. Select the SIM card that I want to deposit from. Choose the amount. Let me say 1K. Uganda shillings. 1.1K Uganda shillings. Tap on add money. And then I put in my PIN, my Airtel money or mobile money app, mobile money PIN. Then I have confirmed my transaction. Now I'm waiting for my account to be credited. Let's wait. The transaction is still being processed. So that's how, guys. Yeah, boom. It's also available in my Ghana shillings account. Wow, everything's just very funny here. So this platform, guys, is very legit. You shouldn't doubt it. Try it out. Refer for your friends and make yourself good money. Just tell them that the platform is well trusted by big firms, and it has won a lot of awards from international organizations. So these are the transactions that I have been making on it. Guys, let's make the video short so that we can all enjoy. But please don't forget to subscribe, to share, and like. Make money, guys. Make money. Don't just leave that money. Let's make this good money. I think you can see if you sign up your other 1.4K contacts, you receive a sum of 5.5 a sum of 5.55 million Ugandan shillings, which is a good amount. So guys, thank you. I wish you well. You can scroll into my other videos, watch, share, subscribe, but don't forget to tap on the link so that you can open your account and earn yourself this money. Guys, I wish you well. Have a blessed time, and please don't forget to come back always to my channel to find out more interesting stuffs. Turn on the notification bell such that you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, let's do this together. Hope you won't disappoint me. Thank you, guys.